Hi, today I will show you custom keyboard with knobs. So what is this device? How can you use it? Why is it useful? First thing is that you have 15 buttons right here, and you have 3 knobs that you can turn left or right and also press them. So these are also like 3 additional buttons, and everything you can customize in a program on your computer. Any button when you press it can output any combination or any button. So for example, the first button can be like pressing G on the keyboard, and the second button can be like Control Shift and A. So you can customize everything. Also there are 3 layers, so you can set every button on 3 ways, and you can select easily between those 3 layers and set which layer do you want to use right now. For example, 1 layer for editing videos, other layer to edit photos, and 3rd layer to play games. This keyboard has 2 modes of working. You can use it with the USB-C cable connected to your computer, or you can use it with Bluetooth. But if you want to change the keys, you have to use the USB cable, because on the Bluetooth you cannot program it, you can only use it. And when you program it, it will work on any PC programmed this way. It doesn't need any special program on any computer. When it is programmed, it is like a normal keyboard, but with custom keys, not the standard layout. This keyboard also has RGB LEDs, but if you use the Bluetooth mode, these are disabled to not use power, but on the USB mode, they will work in the mode that you selected in the program that you also program it. This is built from standard components. You can easily change the keycaps, you can easily change the switches, the buttons, the battery, the knobs. Everything is easy to repair, easy to switch, and also because of that, you can put here any other keycaps, or you can make yourself custom ones. For example, you can 3D print your custom keypads, and without problem you put them on this keyboard, because these use standard keycaps which are easy to mount something else or any other keycaps on them. Of course, you can also put custom knobs on right here. And this device costs only around 30 USD, so this is quite cheap for what can it do. It is from easy available components. You can easily change anything, any key, battery, or anything that you want. And now I will show you how the program looks like. This is how the program looks like. Now I will connect the keyboard with the USB cable. As you can see, device connect. I can read device so it reads the current settings. And for example, I set the layer second. I can set that I want this right top knob. If I turn it left, to press left arrow. If I turn it right, I want to press the right arrow. And for example, when I press it, I can set the space. And also any other button, I can set that, for example, the first button will be Control plus Shift plus D, for example. Or any other button, Control plus Tab. Or I haven't cleared it, so the B stays from the last setting, but I can set it now. And when I set what I wanted, I press download to upload the current settings to this keyboard. And on the keyboard I have a button right here that switches between the layers, so the first layer, second layer, third layer. You can see there are different LEDs and modes. You can change them in the RGB LED settings. There are 5 modes and different colors. You can customize it how do you like it. And there are also few pages with common keys or all the keys. You can see them right here. What can you set on this keyboard? So you can set almost anything that you want to do with one press on one rotation, and this is really easy to use. And when you program it, you can disconnect the cable, turn on the Bluetooth, and you can use it as a wireless keyboard right now. And the battery should last for many hours. So this is a really useful device. I like it a lot. So that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.